Welcome back to Car Mexi, your home for the latest car reviews, upcoming releases, and the most exciting machines ruling the auto world. Today, we're diving deep into a model that has already created massive hype even before hitting the roads. I'm talking about the auto king of luxury SUVs, the upcoming 2026 BMW X9. This is going to be BMW's new flagship SUV, bigger, bolder, and far more futuristic than anything the brand has built before. So sit tight as we break down everything you need to know, its exterior, interior, performance, and expected pricing, packed into a smooth, detailed review for all my Car Mexi viewers. When you first look at the 2026 BMW X9, the word that comes to mind is presence. This SUV is huge, muscular, and instantly takes command of the road. BMW has given it an aggressive front stance with a supersized kidney grille that is impossible to ignore. The grille design now carries a more sculpted layout with illuminated borders that activate during night drives, giving it a futuristic glow. The headlights are sleek, extremely sharp, and follow BM's new split LED design language. They're slimmer but more powerful, offering adaptive matrix lighting for better visibility and a strong premium look. The body lines of the X9 are clean and modern. You get a mix of curves and sharply defined shoulders that make the SUV look both athletic and elegant at the same time. The wheel arches are wide and filled with large alloy wheels that can go up to 23 inches depending on the trim. Moving to the side, the chrome accents and flush door handles add a luxury touch, while the long frame hints at the generous cabin space inside. At the back, you get futuristic LED taillights that run across the tailgate, a sporty bumper, and a more sculpted rear spoiler that improves aerodynamics. Everything about the exterior screams premium flagship energy. BMW clearly wants the X9 to stand shoulder to shoulder with giants like the Mercedes GLS, Cadillac Escalade, and Range Rover LWB. Step inside, and it becomes obvious that BMW is taking luxury to its highest level yet. The interior of the 2026 X9 is designed to feel like a private lounge on wheels. The first thing that grabs your attention is the massive curved digital display that stretches across the dashboard. This includes the digital instrument cluster and the central infotainment system, both powered by BMW's latest operating system with AI-assisted controls, improved voice commands, and crystal-clear graphics. The dashboard layout is clean and futuristic, with touch-sensitive panels and floating design elements that make the cabin feel like a concept car brought to life. The seats are truly luxurious, wide, plush, and wrapped in premium leather or sustainable high-tech materials, depending on the selected package. BMW will offer multiple seating configurations, including a 6-seater layout with captain chairs in the second row and a 7-seater option with a full third row. Comfort is top-notch thanks to heated, ventilated, front and rear passengers. Ambient lighting runs across the doors, dash, and center console, allowing you to pick from dozens of themes to set the cabin mood. The materials used are high quality, with real wood, brushed aluminum, and crystal-styled controls giving it a rich, upscale environment. Space is another major highlight. With the extended wheelbase and wide cabin, the X9 offers generous legroom and headroom in all 3 rows. Even the third row, which usually suffers in many SUVs, is expected to be practical and comfortable for adults on long journeys. Cargo space is massive too, especially with the third row folded flat, making the X9 perfect for families or long trips. Now let's talk about performance, because BMW has no plans to let the X9 be all looks and no muscle. Under the hood, depending on the final production lineup, BMW is expected to offer multiple powertrains. The top-spec variant is rumored to feature a hybrid-assisted V8 engine producing around 600 horsepower, giving this massive SUV sports car-like acceleration. There will also likely be a fully electric variant with BM's next-gen eDrive system, pushing close to 700 horsepower. That electric model will not only be powerful but also extremely smooth, quiet, and efficient. The driving experience is expected to be incredibly refined thanks to adaptive air suspension, intelligent all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering, and advanced traction control. Despite its size, the X9 is designed to corner confidently, accelerate aggressively, and deliver BMW's signature sporty feel. Whether you're on a highway, in the city, or even tackling some mild off-road paths, the X9 aims to deliver versatility without losing luxury. Noise insulation, ride cushioning, and drive comfort will be among the best BMW has ever produced. On the technology side, the X9 packs all the latest features you'd expect from a modern flagship. You get a 360-degree camera system, advanced parking assist, level 2 or possibly level -2 plus autonomous driving capabilities, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, collision detection, driver monitoring camera, and a lot more. You also get wireless connectivity, premium sound systems from Bowers & Wilkins, and a rear seat entertainment package with high-resolution screens and touch control. Finally, the pricing. Being a flagship model, the 2026 BMW X9 will not be cheap. In international markets like the US, Germany, or the UK, the expected starting price is estimated to be between $120,000 and $150,000, depending on the configuration. Higher trims, especially the hybrid V8 or full EV model, could easily cross $170,000 to $180,000. If imported to countries like Pakistan or India, taxes and duties would push the price much higher, possibly making it a multi-crore SUV. But considering the luxurious interior, futuristic tech, massive size, and power-packed performance, BMW is clearly targeting buyers who want the absolute best in the luxury SUV world. So to wrap it up, the 2026 BMW X9 looks like a complete luxury beast. It has the presence, the technology, the comfort, and the power to dominate the flagship SUV market. BMW is stepping into new territory with this model, and the X9 is shaping up to be the auto king SUV many enthusiasts have been waiting for. If you're someone who loves big luxury vehicles and wants the latest innovation in a truly premium package, this SUV is definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching Car Mexi. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming car reviews and updates. See you in the next one.